Hello everyone, my name is Ethan. Welcome to my channel. I will review every website for you. So today let's start with SpeedWealthSystem. Can we clone this exact same system for you, with 4 different income streams, all on 100% autopilot? What is SpeedWealthSystem? SpeedWealth is a revolutionary approach to generating multiple income streams online, that allows you to earn more commissions without wasting time on less effective ways of generating income online. We achieve this by giving you a done-for-you marketing system that just works without having to worry about doing all the hard work yourself, just turn it on. And as a result, this frees you up to enjoy your life again without having to work day and night for online commissions. This is the SpeedWealthSystem. SpeedWealthSystem is a shortcut. Before I created the SpeedWealthSystem, I was struggling with my online income for years and was on the verge of giving up. I was working around the clock to crack the code. I tried virtually every single method you could imagine, and nothing worked, until I found this. I got myself a deal I never signed up for, which led me to questioning everything and eventually turning the entire model upside down, breaking all the rules and freeing me from the chains of the old ways. After several years of trial and error, testing everything and figuring things out the hard way, without anyone guiding me, I've finally reached a point where I achieved total and complete financial freedom. Now, you have the opportunity to duplicate my success I built from scratch by downloading a 49.00 marketing system called SpeedWealth. This is how it works in the easiest way. SpeedWealthSystem is designed to make you excessive commissions on the following networks. Following pointers are included in SpeedWealthSystem. How to earn from 4 income streams via one link. The secret behind becoming a super affiliate. How doing the exact same as other affiliates prevents you from making the big commissions. The step-by-step process to making your traffic convert into sales faster than others. The little-known loophole/trick to making fast affiliate sales in less than 24 hours. You can now download SpeedWealthSystem in $49 pack of $49 you will receive. 1. SW Checklist. Put the SW checklist to work and ensure that you are 100% ready for launch. 2. SW Fast Start. Use the Fast Start guide to get your first campaign up and running as fast as possible and start earning. 3. SW Software. The SW system comes complete with in-house software that helps you earn extra commissions online. 4. SW Swipe File. Download the mega swipe file of hot ads that you can copy, paste and deploy for more sales and more profits. 5. SW Landers. Deploy our high-converting landing pages direct to the market and gain massive amounts of leads fast. 6. SW Training. Get the best marketing training online and apply this to your business to grow faster than ever before. Thus it is said. The SpeedWealthSystem is a great way for you to make bigger and faster affiliate commissions online. Joel Thierine. Here's a sneak peek of what's inside the system. How I added an additional $18,000 in high-ticket commissions. In the SpeedWealthSystem, you're not just going to learn how to make fast affiliate sales. I will also share some successful strategies I've used to make high-ticket affiliate commissions on top of that. How to find the hottest high-ticket products online. When to promote a product for maximum commission. Why most affiliates only earn small commissions and how to flip that around so that you are repositioned as a top earner. My #1 traffic source responsible for creating 7-figure earners. Do like, comment and subscribe the channel if you liked the video. And check the description for the purchase link. Thank you.